record na yan. Video na yan? Para pipindutin pagpapatay na. Ano, ikot na?
Video na yan, oo.
Alright, now once again, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Ayan, ang kanina pa natin hinihintay na ating very special guest from Jolly Down ay nandito na. Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, gusto nyo na makita si Jollibee? Yes! Alright, now para na bumakit makasama natin si Jollibee, tatang po tayo ng 1 to 5 yung malakas para marinig niya. So start counting! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Let us all welcome ang nag-iisang best friend ng bayan. Walang iba kundi si Jollibee! Anong meron dyan? Ano yun? Alright, now once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome ang nag-iisang best friend ng bayan. Walang iba kundi si Jollibee!
Mamato Fado Gentleman.
Alright! Okay, now once again, ang nag-iisang best friend ng bayan, Jollibee. Hello, Jollibee, good afternoon. And welcome dito sa birthday party ni Kian Lyle. By the way, Jollibee, pinapakilala ko nga pala sa'yo ang ating birthday celebrator for today. Ayan. Alright. Nasaan ang ating birthday celebrator? Okay, where's Kia? Ayan, tapos ang ating birthday celebrator, Jollibee. Ayan, of course, together with Daddy Aris. Daddy Aris, say hi to Jollibee. Ayan, nasa si Daddy. Ay, Jollibee, kumakaway-kaway sa'yo, ano? Alright. Kaway ka muna dyan, sir. Ayan, of course, in behalf of Mommy April. And of course, say hi sa lahat ng mga guests natin today, Jollibee. Hi! Wow! Alright, so for the meantime, family picture muna tayo together with our best friend, the Jollibee. Ayan, together with Daddy Aris, and of course, ang ating birthday celebrator, na si Kia Kion. Alright? Alright, also that family picture together with Daddy Aris, and of course,